In this tip of the day, let's take another look at drilling holes within OneCNC. Now in this example, we have a solid model, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to drill a 1/4 inch hole here, here, and here. Now one approach would be to alter the solid model and actually create the 1/4 inch holes. But there's no need to do that. In fact, within OneCNC, all you need to do to define hole locations is just create a point. Let me demonstrate. Let's head over to the command manager. I'll select point. I'm going to hover over that arc center and left click, and left click. That's it. That's all the geometry you need. Now we can head back over to the command manager, go into our stock toolpaths, select drill single. I'm going to tell OneCNC that we want to select points. So I'm going to left click, and left click, right hand mouse click, and finish. What we're going to do now is define our tool. I already have a 1/4 inch diameter drill selected in turret position number 1. My speeds and feeds look great, so I'll click next to that. My clearance value, as the drill moves from hole to hole, I'm going to increase that to 500 thousandths. Final Z depth at 350 thousandths is great. I do want to output a CAN cycle, so I have machining cycle selected. We'll click next. I'm going to go with the G83 CAN cycle with a peck depth of 100 thousandths. We'll click finish. And that's it. That's all there is to it. There was no need to alter the solid model and create those holes. All we needed to do was define those 3 points. Let's end this video by quickly simulating the toolpath. We'll go to simulate rest. That looks good. We'll use the solid model for stock. And here we go. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.